How are you? I'm good, thank you. From today onwards, Shardi Navrat starts. Do you know? Okay. Navratri happens twice in a year. One is Chaitra Navrat in the month of March and second one is Shardi Navrat in the month of September or October. So do you know the story about why we worship 9 forms of Ma Durga? Why there are not 10? Why 9? So the story goes like, there was a demon, Mahishasura, and he was given a boon by Brahmaji that he would not be defeated by any kind of male form. So all the 3 gods came together, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and combined their powers and made Ma Durga. Okay, then Ma Durga killed Mahishasura and Mahishasura was eliminated from this earth. This battle went on 9 days between Ma Durga and Mahishasura. That's why during Navratri we worship 9 forms of Ma Durga. So do you know the 9 forms? Do you know? Okay, I am telling you one by one. First is Shalputri, daughter of the mountain. Shal means mountain. And Shalputri is another adjective to define Mata Parvati. And Mata Parvati was the rebirth of Mata Shati. That was the first. Second word, Brahmachari. So when you are adolescent stage, you start forming ideas about yourself, what you really want in your life. And Shalputri was born with the burning desire to get Bhagwan Shiv. The second one is Brahmachari. Third one is Ma Chandraghanta. Now she is married. She is sitting on a lion, she is holding all the weapons of different gods. Sometimes she has 8 arms, sometimes she has 4 arms. So that is the third stage, Ma Chandraghanta. First one is Shalputri, Brahmachari, Ma Chandraghanta. Fourth one is Kusmanda. Another beautiful depiction. When you see the image of Ma Kusmanda, she is sitting on a lion, she is holding all the weapons. But besides weapons, she is holding pot of colors, honey. And in Hinduism, honey represents womb, garb. Yani ki after marriage, there is another stage. Now she is going to experience motherhood. That is the 4th stage, Ma Kusmanda. Next one is Skand Mata. Now another beautiful depiction. When you see the image of Skand Mata, now Ma Skand Mata does not hold any weapons because now she has become a mother. Skand means Kartikeya. When you see the image of Skand Mata, Kartikeya is sitting on her lap. उनकी गोद में बैठे हुए कार्तिकेय. So this is the beautiful depiction which I find it very fascinating because for a child mother is everything for a couple of years. 4-5 साल माँ सब कुछ होती है बच्चे के लिए. तो in this image माँ is shown like very calm, soft, composed. That's why she is not holding any weapon. That is the 5th stage. And after that 6th, Ma Katyani. Another beautiful depiction. See, most of the women, they think that after marriage, after having babies, life is finished. No. When you see the image of Ma Katyani is killing Mahishasura. If you go to Durga Puja Pandal, they give glimpses of Ma Durga. After 6, वो 6 से start करते हैं. तो you can understand, women are doing everything. They are managing work, they are managing house, they are taking care of babies. So they are doing everything. So the life is not finished after marriage, after having babies. You can do whatever you really want in your life. That is the 6th stage, Ma Katyani. After that, Ma Kali, Ma Kalratri, and it is the very scary form of goddess, Ma Kalratri. तो वन इमेज इज सोन. अगर आपने एक फोटो देखी हो जिसमें माँ काली भगवान शिव के ऊपर पैर रखे हुए, देखा है? सो अनदर ब्यूटीफुल डिपिक्शन बिकॉज नाउ वीमेन आर ऑन टॉप. शी इज अचीविंग हर फीट एंड शी इज प्रूविंग हरसेल्फ दैट वी कैन डू एवरीथिंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वीमेन. आपने सुना होगा कॉमन मैन, सुना है? कॉमन वुमेन सुना आज तक कभी आपने? बिकॉज वीमेन आर नॉट कॉमन, दे आर स्पेशल. ओके, तो वीमेन आर नॉट कॉमन, दे आर स्पेशल. So now she is achieving her feat. That's why she is shown on top of everyone. Story थोड़ी अगर बताऊंगा तो बड़ी हो जाएगी. Because Ma Kali is created from Ma Durga to deal with certain demons in the same battle, like Sumbh Nisumb, Chandmund, Raktbij. Other demons थे, उनको डील करने के लिए माँ काली को बनाया गया था. Next one is Mahagauri. Now she has become Mahan. She has gained the recognition of the world. She has proved herself. Everything is going according to her ways, whatever she wants. So now that is the 8th stage, Mahagauri. And last one is Ma Siddharatri. And it is very close to Lakshmi, the self-realization. And Ma Siddharatri is worshipped everyone, demons, gods, humans. Everybody goes down before her. That is the 9th one, Ma Siddharatri. So I have told you 9 forms. Shalputri, Brahmachari, Chandraghanta, Kusmanda, Skandamata, Kaityani. Next one is Mahakali, क्या कालरात्रि बोल सकते हैं आप. And 8th one is Mahagauri, 9th one is Siddharatri. Got it? So I find it very beautiful because it is a journey of a woman. You must know, women also must know. It is a journey of a woman. So when you see in your surroundings, so women are doing everything. So it reveals the journey of a woman. So you must know and you must follow this. Because in Hinduism, all the festivals, they have something, scientific. ऐसे ही नहीं बनाए गए हैं. उनमें कुछ ना कुछ scientific बात है. Got it? And during 9 days, most of the women or men also fast रखते हैं. तो during Navratri, if you are having fast, it means you are purifying your body. Suppose आपके अंदर जितने भी germs हैं, कीटाणु हैं अंदर, तो उनको खाना कौन खिलाता है? आप लोग. The moment you empty your stomach, अगर आप कुछ ना खाएं, तो आप समझ लीजिए they will get killed automatically. Suppose करो एक सिटी है या आपका उन्नाव है, उन्नाव में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ना हो तो क्या होगा? क्राइम फ्लरिश करेगा, बढ़ेगा. इसी तरह से if there is a no law and order in your body, what you are eating, then all the diseases will flourish automatically. वो अपने अंदर आपके बढ़ेंगे. तो जैसे ही आप, इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि खाने का जो टाइम है वो बड़ा होना चाहिए. अगर आपने ब्रेकफास्ट किया है सुबह, फिर आप लंच करेंगे 1 बजे, फिर रात में आप खाएंगे. ये नहीं कि आप थोड़ी देर में खा रहे हैं. नो, इट मीन्स यू आर फीडिंग. वो फिर कभी मरेंगे ही नहीं. तो इफ यू वांट टू बी फिट थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ, देन ट्राई टू हैव अ गैप व्हाट यू आर ईटिंग, देन यू विल बी ब्लॉसम. दैट्स व्हाई नवरात्रि हैपेंस ट्वाइस. इन मुस्लिम्स रोजा हैपेंस बिकॉज इट इज द वे ऑफ लाइफ. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो 9 फॉर्म्स आपको याद रखने हैं. ठीक है, आ गए ना? कि नहीं आए बता दो दोबारा से. लर्न इट. शैलपुत्री, ब्रह्मचारिणी, चंद्रघंटा, कुष्मांडा, स्कंदमाता, कात्यायनी, माँ काली, महागौरी, सिद्धदात्री. Got it? Okay, and I am wishing you happy Navratri to all of you. Thank